Good morning. This is Mona. Today I'm going to make a Christmas tree. You just need 4 of these, and we're going to sew 2 of them right sides together and leave a hole in the bottom. And I got this pattern from Patterns for Pirates. I'm just going to put a few clips just to hold this, especially on these little ends here. I'm going to just start here at the bottom, and I'm only going to sew a little bit at the end because we need to keep all that open. And I'm just doing a 1/4 inch. I'll do one more stitch. Now we need one more. And you'll do the same thing to the other one. You're gonna clip your corners. Don't go through your stitches. That one was a little too close for comfort there. Okay, you do the same thing for the other one. And then you're just going to turn this right sides out. Oh well, I'm not redoing it. Okay, now I'm going to give this a good press, and then I'm going to fold these in and press them. Give everything a good press, fold it in half, match everything up, and give it a press down the middle, just like that. So we have our one tree like this. Then we're just going to open the other tree up and put it on top. You can pin it if you want. I'm not going to. And then you're just going to stitch right down that line. There we go. Now we're just going right down the middle, down that line you drew. And make sure all your bottoms are lined up. All right, and here's the Christmas tree. It's all done except for stuffing. You're just going to open each one at the bottom and stuff. And then you can either hand sew or just sew it with your machine, whichever you prefer. Okay. I'm just going to grab some stuffing, put it in, and shove it all the way to the top. And then just a little bit at a time. And then you'll do that to all of them, and I'll come back when I'm all done. Okay, and this is what it looks like stuffed. Now, you just hand stitch along the bottom. I'm going to machine stitch this one. Now you could use matching thread. I'm just going to start right on that point. Go up. As soon as I find my foot pedal, back stitch. And I'm just going to sew right along the edge. Just keeping everything lined up right along that edge. And you can push the stuffing out of your way. And right to that middle and back stitch. And there's your tree. I'm going to get some kind of base for mine. I don't know what yet. Here you go. You can sew some ornaments on here, put some rhinestones, or you can just leave it plain. Thanks for watching.